The highlighted must-have Monday vehicle this week is
the 2025 Nissan Murano. This vehicle combines bold design with everyday comfort, and its braking system keeps that confidence front and center. When it's time for new brakes, the DFC 5000 brake kit with GeoSpec Rotors delivers the same performance and precision you'd expect from factory parts. Featuring our DFC 5000 advanced pads and high-carbon, mill-balanced rotors with a rust-resistant GeoSpec coating, this combo is built for quiet stops, smooth pedal feel, and long-lasting durability, mile after mile, road trip after road trip. DFC is proud to be one of the first aftermarket brake manufacturers to offer brake pads, rotors, and hardware for this new application, providing a complete solution for distributors and installers alike. Whether it's our DFC 5000 series brake pads, our corrosion-resistant GeoSpec coated rotors, or our OE-specific hardware kits, every part is precision engineered for fit, performance, and reliability. For added convenience, these parts are also available in an all-in-one brake kit, saving time on the shelf and in the shop. At DFC, we stay ahead of the market by investing in innovation, expanding our catalog fast, and supporting our partners with top-tier fill rates and service. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your local sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Must-Have Monday to see what we're launching next.